Consider this. What if you could earn $5 by simply pressing a button, watching a short video and doing nothing more than that? What if all you had to do to make $1 was like a video or leave a comment on it? Wouldn't it be great if you could do these simple tasks on your phone, spending just a few minutes a day doing so to earn online? Withdrawals can be made by several different methods including Paytm, PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and wire transfers to bank account. I'll tell you how to sign up for this website and it won't cost you a dime. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. Let's get into the video. This is going to be a completely new website, so you want to pay close attention. The website is called Zareclami, and you can visit Zareclami at zareclami.com. There are 5 ways to make money here. To begin, you have the option of exploring the web and passing the time by viewing various videos and commercials. Second, you can leave an impact on social media by simply liking and sharing videos to make money. A straightforward video like this can serve as an example. Just a few seconds of your time could earn you money. Clicking the like button, writing a comment below, subscribing to the channel, and keeping on making money on this site are all great ways to increase your income. There are a few quick surveys that we can fill out. They are excellent for beginners because of how straightforward they are. I'll give you some examples in a minute, but if you want to get started right away, you can open a free, no-hassle account and start collecting from any device. If you want to make an extra $50 a day, you won't want to miss a special bonus and surprise I'll be sharing at the end of this video. You can rest easy knowing that this is obtainable wherever and nowhere near any sort of financial expense. To summarize, this is how it functions essentially. The first thing you need to do is choose a method of earning because there are so many various ways to do so on the site. The options among these 5 methods are yours to choose from. Second, you'll begin carrying out the orders. Third, you'll begin working on the jobs you're assigned. And last, after you've reached a predetermined payment level, you'll receive your cash. The new website makes it possible to receive payments daily, usually within 24 hours. Click the Register tab at the top of the page to create a free account. The link will lead you there. When you click the Next button after entering your email address and password, you will be sent to your fresh new account. Estimated earnings are displayed on a dashboard. Since this is a fresh new account and you haven't yet completed any task, you will see $0 in the beginning. Not to worry though, because your earnings will show up on a dashboard as soon as they become available. To begin, please confirm your email address. The next step is for you to check your inbox for a verification email from the company. Upon opening and responding to this email, your account will be activated and you can begin making money. Please go to the next step, which is to select the Earn tab on the left. Clicking this link will lead you to a page with several options. The first, second, third, fourth, and fifth methods I showed you are all presented here. Now let me show you the first way, which involves watching online movies and commercials to make a buck. It's easy to get started. Just hit the Start Earning button that will take you to this page. In doing so, you'll be able to access a variety of adverts and begin making money. Here, you can see what happens when you click the Earn button. A new window pops up. Again, there's no need to worry, you can wrap things up using any suitable computer or mobile device. As you can see, you have till the timer expires to read everything on this page. There isn't much time involved here. Simply moving around this website is enough to prove that you are a human and not a robot. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, here's where you can press to pause the commercial while you do something else. Simply clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner will close ad. You can see that the funds will be deposited into your account once the deadline has passed. They'll reveal the domain and earnings to you as well. As you can see, this will disable the ad, but it will be in useless because you will not be paid for your efforts. To avoid missing out on anything, don't leave the video early or the website too soon. To further explain, allow me to provide another example for this. Earnings buttons may occasionally lead to unrelated videos on YouTube, like the one you're currently watching. To start watching the videos, simply click the play button. Remember, you must stay on the page until the timer expires or you will not be paid. Let's take a look at the second example. Leave engagement on social media. Simply click the Earn button below. We'll take you to a website where you may write comments on different social media platforms. As you can see, the opportunities for making money online are limitless. For instance, YouTube allows you to watch videos, subscribe to various channels, and like numerous videos. Likes and follows are two of Instagram's most notable features. Everybody can do these things by clicking the links. It doesn't take any special skills or knowledge. If you click the YouTube Views link, for example, you'll be sent to a random YouTube video where you can simply press the play button to begin watching. To see the video more quickly and with less strain on your internet connection, click the gear icon and select 144p from the drop-down menu that appears. You can increase your earnings by clicking on the video and giving it a thumbs up. A YouTube URL link is also available via the share button. Sharing the video on Facebook, Twitter, email, or any other site is as easy as clicking the copy button. You can make more money by leaving those engagements. Writing comments or reviews, filling out surveys, creating simple accounts, and subscribing to other people's newsletters are all ways you might earn money online. If I click this link, I'll be taken to a page where I can fill out surveys using several online tools and get paid between $2 and $3 per survey. These tools include Google Forms, Pollfish, and SurveyMonkey. This is a basic task that can be completed in a few minutes. The app ZeroReclame Earn Money Online for free is currently available on the Google Play Store and may be downloaded immediately to your mobile device. Get the app and start making money right away. Before I show you a bonus website where you can make money by simply viewing videos, I'll show you how to do it on ZeroReclame. See, all it takes to earn an extra 12% commission is to send a friend to the site. To start generating an extra source of income, simply copy your referral links and distribute them to others. If you stay to the end, I'll reveal a bonus website offering a daily bonus of $50 if you visit it. Please navigate to Coinbase.com. Immediately, and once there, select the Earn Crypto tab. Doing so will lead you to a page where you can get cryptocurrency. Start learning about cryptocurrency and be paid to do it. The more tutorials, free courses, and videos you watch, the more money you will make. Here, I'll demonstrate briefly how Band Protocol works. To get started with a course, simply click this button to get started. You'll find links to additional introductory courses that, like the ones above, are both free and can make you money just by watching the videos. Watch this 1-minute video and earn $2 by inviting friends. You can do this and take courses and videos on this website to make $50 more. After this category, you can view more courses, repeat the process, and keep earning money. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.